Here's an update on our stairs. So this is a pretty popular video for us and a lot of people have been watching it, so I thought I would make an update on our $30 cinder block stairs. We live in Michigan, so we get a lot of freeze and thaws. I haven't done anything with it. We don't use it a whole lot, but I mean, I weigh over 200 pounds and this one wiggles a tiny bit. I can't really. So I mean, this is what it looks like. If I was real picky, I would adjust that one, but this works good for us, especially for $30. I think the most important factor is our hill is made out of filled gravel, not dirt. It's gravel, like tiny, kind of sand, kind of gravelly. So that I think is what the key to this lasting was. So if you're going to do this and you have just dirt, I would put some kind of a gravelly base under it. Other than that, and then like the grass kind of held the hill in place too, so you wouldn't want like bare dirt to wash out. But anyways, I hope this has been working for people, and I'm not sure how many years it's been. I'll write it right here. But overall, I think it was a good choice, and it definitely saved us from sliding down the hill. All right.